We're making a mini projector out of paper tubes. You can decorate your paper tubes any way you want. With paint, with markers. Cover it with construction paper of all kinds of colors. Covering paper with lots of tape. Draw a square here, a star there, a diamond. Bing! All right, let's cover up our projector with plastic film. Make sure it's nice and tight. I'm using lots of orange tape here. There we go. Nice and secure. Boop. Now we're going to draw a shape on our plastic film. Lights out. Time to project it. Shine a flashlight through the open end of your tube.